In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to replace the back cover on the Samsung S25 Ultra. I've already put some tape on the front screen because I'm going to put it face down on the heat mat. I've got the heat mat set to 85 degrees C. It's not been on there too long, to be honest. But what I'm going to do, once it's warm to the touch, I'm going to run a small bead of isopropyl alcohol around the edge of the phone. And especially where it's cracked just there, that's going to soak into it. Once that's soaked in a bit, I'm going to get a razor blade. I'm going to put it into the gap between the edge of the cover and the edge of the phone. And then we can grab a guitar pick like this one. And then we're going to insert it into the gap that we've just created to make a bigger gap. And then we can sort of put the pick in and start running it down the edge. And that's going to sort of cut through the adhesive. When you get to the cameras, just be careful because you don't want to insert the pick too far. And then that'll do for that edge. We only need to go down the length of the edge, run it back, go along the other edge now. Now on this one, it's pretty broken. So instead of like just running through, I'm going to sort of twist it to pull it away. And that's going to separate because the alcohol's soaked in and softened it all up. Just remember that I'm on a hot plate here, so this is nice and warm. If you're doing this at home, you'll probably want a heat gun or a hairdryer to achieve the same effect. Now that we've got this, we can just lift it up like that. And on this occasion, we can see that the adhesives come away with the back cover, which means that there's not that much cleaning up to do. You might sometimes find that some of the adhesive has been left behind. If it does, use something like a spindle tool, and you're going to go along and just get all the adhesive off that's left behind. But like I say, this hasn't really left any adhesive on, so there's not much to get off on this one. You see all this gunk and dust what's left behind there? I'm going to get a dust blower and just blow as much of it away as possible so that it doesn't get into the phone at this point. And then we can run some more alcohol down along that edge. Because it's warm, it's going to evaporate quick. And then we're just going to sort of rub into that edge and really clean it up. Make sure that there's no adhesive, no dust or anything left behind. And we can work our way around all four of these edges. Same again, be careful of those camera lenses. And then finally we've just got this last edge to do. A little bit of dust got on that camera there, look. We'll blow that away and watch this tape for getting in the way as well. This is all really nice and clean. If you do get some dust on the cameras, like you can use a Q-tip or use the use that to just brush any dust off and just keep it all clean. Really nice. The part that we're using, as always, is a genuine Samsung back cover. These always come with the adhesive included, so it's very easy to fit. Now, if yours doesn't, it's probably because you bought a fake one, and you're going to have to use some adhesive or some tape from somewhere else and fit it yourself. I will put a link in the description below on where you can buy this part. It's from our partners, Mobile Centrics. And they are very good at supplying these parts, especially the genuine ones. They come the next day and they're very easy to get hold of, always in stock, etc. Now, just peel off. You've got some camera protectors. Make sure that you peel that off because that's going to blank the cameras out if you don't. Then peel off the green film. And because this is all ready, all that we need to do, quick dusting off. Make sure that it's clear. And then for me, I always start in the top corner here. Line it up on the very top edge, and then the rest of it will follow suit. It'll stick down. Just apply some pressure, peel off these little bits of protective film, and there's one more layer of protective film. Usually I'd leave that to the customer, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you. Peel off the film that we put on the front. That just needs a little wiping off as well because it's left a bit of sticky stuff behind. Just a microfiber cloth, and yeah, that's it, job done. Just make sure that there's no dust or anything getting the cameras. This looks pretty clean, and yeah, I'm happy with that. That's how to replace the back cover on the Samsung S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.